Welcome back, my dear students of class 4th in your computer classes. So today we are going to start to do our curricular assessment second. Okay. So for that you may open your page number 97, and our first part is of MCQs that we will do later. Okay. So first of all, see part B. Okay. Part B. B1. So our first question is, what is stepwise thinking? So all these questions we have done earlier also. Okay. So stepwise thinking helps in converting complex tasks into simple steps. Understood? This is your first answer. Then second one, what do you mean by alignment? So alignment refers to the way in which text is placed in a page. Understood? Then third, what is a presentation? A presentation is a systematic display of information along with graphics, movies, sound, etc. This is known as the presentation. Okay? You can take the screenshot. Okay? You can take the screenshot and later you can do your work. Understood? Now, coming towards our fourth question, what do you mean by home page of a website? So, home means from where we start, okay? Firstly, so the very first page which appears when we open a website is called the home page. These all things are explained very well to you, okay? Then see fifth one, name any 3 search engine websites. So 3 search engine websites are Google, www.google.com, then Yahoo, www.yahoo.com, Ask, www.ask.com. Understood? So this is your answer number 5th. So with this 5th question, your part B ends, and let's start our part C. Give short answers to the following questions. So here our first question is, distinguish between undo and redo command. Very important question, and you know very well about it. So undo refers to cancel a command given earlier, whereas redo means to reverse the action of undo command. Understood? Now second one, name any 5 screen elements of MS PowerPoint 2007. So the 5 screen elements of MS PowerPoint 2007 are title bar, ribbon, ruler, slide, status bar and office button. Understood? So this is your second answer. Then third, how does a multimedia system help us? So multimedia system help us, or following are the helpful ways of multimedia system are educational purpose, playing games and movies, then training students and workers. Okay. Now, fourth one, what is a web page? So, web page is a part of a website, and it is a document or information that is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to internet. Now, fifth one, what is a web browser? A web browser is a special software or program that lets you view all the beautiful pictures, text, 3D images, video and animations present in the website. Understood? Okay. Now part D. Answer the following question in detail. So first question is, what do you mean by problem solving? Problem solving is a skill that helps in solving a problem. Very simple. Understood? Okay. Now second one, write the steps to insert a table in a Word document. So here steps are given in a proper way you have to write. Understood? In what way you will start? Steps to insert a text box in a slide are, understood? Earlier in a very well manner these are given to you. Okay. So you have to write that one, heading. Okay. So step first, click the insert tab. Then step second, click the table. Then third, select the number of rows and columns by dragging the mouse over the small boxes, and S will be capital in this. Understood? Now, See, third one, what are the steps in PowerPoint 2007 to insert a text box in a slide? Okay, so the steps to insert a text box in a slide are, click the home tab. Now click new slide. This is click. Okay, CLICK. Write carefully. Click new slide, and last one, step third, choose the layout you want. Now fourth one, name any two buttons located at command bar of MS Internet Explorer. So here refresh button and stop button. Two are there. Okay. Now coming towards our next page, you can turn your page on page number 98, co-curricular activities second. Now A part is answer the following questions verbally. Okay, so first one is, what do you mean by editing? So making changes in a document is editing. Simple words. Okay. Then second, what is a slideshow? A slideshow is an electronic presentation displayed on a computer screen. Now third, what are the components of a multimedia system? So the components of multimedia system are CD, CD-ROM, or sound card, color, monitor and microphone. Understood? Now fourth one, what is a website? A website is a set of related web pages containing content such as text, image, video, audio, etc. Understood? Now our B part, answer the following questions in brief. So what is formatting? Formatting refers to changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive. Okay. Then second one, what is the word art option used for? So word art option is used to write in attractive and stylish way. Understood? Now third one, what is multimedia? So multimedia is a collection of text, graphics, sounds, animation and clips. Now see, fourth question, what is the full form of www? So the full form of www is World Wide Web. Okay. So here your question answers, and that is enough for today. Much more work is there. 5 parts we have completed, question answers. So what's your homework? Your homework is to complete your work and learn it. Neat and clean handwriting, you have to do your work. Understood?